My name is Roshan Supri.
Uh-huh.
So previously I'm working in Accenture. I
Mm.
have 3+ years of experience. Presently, newly I have moved to KPMG. Actually, it's new entity which they
Ah,
have started,
okay.
KPMG Delivery Network India,
Mm.
called KDNI.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Recently in 2025 October they started,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and they started hiring managers, associate
Okay.
managers, and everyone.
Mm-hmm.
So I have updated my profile in Naukri.
Okay.
So through that only I got this opportunity.
Super. So you mentioned that KPMG has started its new division, right, in the delivery. So, like, what will be the
Yeah.
like, what is this division is all about? Suprit, is it like what they do basically?
Like in KDNA, they will handle clients apart from UK and US,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
like other countries, Abu Dhabi,
Okay. Oh. Mhm.
France, other countries, except
Okay.
UK and US.
Okay. It's a other division to deal with the audience. I mean, the clients from the different
Clients.
geographical region.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Except UK and USA.
US, yes, right.
Nice, super. So, how did you come to
Yeah.
know it's from the Naukri? You just kept your CV in the Naukri and they called you, like, how was it?
Yeah, I just updated my CV. I
Mm-hmm.
used to check my app daily,
Mm-hmm.
and one of my colleagues suggested that try to update your profile weekly once or twice, so that
Okay.
in the search it will
Okay.
be in a top list.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the basic thing I used to do. So I used to get a call, and they will schedule a meeting. So for me, it's 3 rounds.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Uh, First round and second round is interview, and the third round is HR round.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So, there will be three hiring procedure. One will be the assessment. First one will be assessment.
No, no assessment for this.
Okay. So, since you
And
uh-huh.
yeah, I wanted to say about my domain. I'm working on Workday domain.
Okay.
Even in my previous company also, I'm working for Workday. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
certified in core HCM and recruiting. I have two certifications.
Super, super.
So in interview, they will ask related to those stuffs, and I have an implementation project experience, and I have continued as an AMS support to the same project
Mm-hmm.
for the recruiting module.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So they have asked about procedure, what is the implementation procedure they had.
Mm-hmm.
So I used to explain the whole procedure.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, they used to ask what and all the tasks and implementations
Okay.
which they
Big deal.
asked recently in
Mm-hmm.
AMS continuation. So I
Okay.
used to say that. And in Workday, we will be having updates for yearly twice.
Mm-hmm.
So there will be new features which will be coming in Workday yearly twice.
Okay.
So we need to present those to the client. We
Mm-hmm.
need to explain. We need
Okay.
to do that configurations in the low tenants.
Okay.
And if they accept that feature, we need to give. So
Okay.
we used to discuss those things. And
Hmm.
yeah, some technical stuff, some configuration questions.
Chalo. So, like based on your
Yeah.
inputs, it's all about your past company experience interview. So,
Yes, yes, yes.
so what you worked on the tech stack during the Accenture time period, based on that, the same questions were asked in KPMG.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, this is for the experienced candidate, Supri. Okay. Let's assume that I am a
Yeah,
fresher. Okay. I'm a fresher
yeah,
and
yeah,
I want to apply for the KPMG in your new division.
yeah.
So, what will be hiring procedure for me, Supri? Any idea?
I don't have much idea. I think it will be the same,
Mm-hmm.
but depending on the domain, I think there will be some assessment and all.
Okay, assessment. Since you mentioned that
Yeah.
you didn't had
Mhm.
assessment because you were experienced candidate. Maybe
Yes,
for the
yes,
freshers, they will be having an aptitude coding followed by the technical round,
yes.
and
Yeah,
that will be the procedure.
yeah, yeah. Maybe. Yeah.
So that the common question, like when you were in the Accenture, right? Like what was your
Yeah.
strategy? Like how did you plan your job shift from yes Accenture to KPMG? Like when did you start preparing that? Yes, this is the time I need to do a shift. Like what was that pace like? Suprit.
From 1 year, I tried to start hunting on
One year, huh?
job
Okay.
opportunities, not
Mm-hmm.
full-fledgedly.
Mm-hmm.
I need to maintain my work as a
Balance.
good career in this present company,
Mm-hmm.
and also I was planning
Mm-hmm.
parallel. I was planning for the
Okay.
job shift as well.
Mm-hmm. Super.
Yeah.